Sae Far Awa by Robert Burns. So Far Away. Wrote it to a tune called Dalkeith Maiden Bridge, which he had from James Aird's Book of Tunes. Oh, sad and heavy should I part, but for her sake, Sae Far Awa, unknowing what my way may thwart, my native land, Sae Far Awa. Thou that ever things maker art, that formed this fair Sae Far Awa, keep body strength, then I'll ne'er start at this my way, Sae Far Awa. How true is lofty pure desert, so lofty her Sae Far Awa, and nocht can heal my bosom smart, while oh she is Sae Far Awa. Nane other love, nane other dart I feel but hers, Sae Far Awa, but fairer never touched a heart than hers, the fair Sae Far Awa. It's been conjecture about who he wrote it for. I'm not sure it isn't a coded Jacobite song from the point of view of the exiled Charles Edward Stuart. Text is from Burns's hand in the Hastie manuscript. Tune is from James Aird's selection of Scotch, English, Irish, and Foreign Airs, Volume 3. It was first published 1796. Please subscribe. Thank you for listening.